What's up everyone, I'm Rahul Badistra. I hope you guys are doing well, and this one's a special video. Actually, I've been getting a lot of requests to talk about how I've been rocking such bright colors and how you guys can do it too. So I thought it was really important to share this, how I started this journey of wearing bright colors. It started back in the college days when I had a fascination with the pink color, and I was the only one who would wear bright pink color t-shirts in the college, right? But anyways, taking that passion forward, I basically developed a few things, a few setting principles of how to wear a particular look on that day, right? So it all starts with the neutral colors, and there are the bright colors. So you have to make sure that you choose the color. Like for me, I personally choose which bright color am I going to wear today. Is it going to be the orange day? Is it going to be the green day, or yellow or red? Which one is it going to be? And then I work the neutral colors according to that, right? So what are neutral colors, you would ask? So like for example, your blacks, right? The whites, then gray. Then you have your light purplish colors, green tones, light green tones. Then this is beige. So these are all of your neutral colors. So you have to layer your neutral color and mix it up with a bright color so that the bright then pops when you're wearing something. Like for example, I'm wearing this black t-shirt with a black, with these black pants here. But the orange here on the t-shirt is popping out because this is what stands out on a neutral color, right? So now what are your, those bright colors? What are they? So for example, this orange t-shirt, or be it this neon green one, or this yellow, or this pink, or you have this red, right? So these come into your bright colors. These are your neutral colors. So now you have to blend these together in a manner that they match each other. So as another thumb rule, what I would suggest you is not to wear more than two bright colors in a single outfit, right? For example, like let me give you how I start my day. Like for example, in the morning when I'm going to the gym, without thinking about anything, my first go-to attire is a black t-shirt, a black pair of shorts, and orange neon shoes. I think this is something that you've seen me wearing in a lot of videos as well. So that's my morning outfit. Or if I have to switch up things, then I would wear an orange t-shirt with black shorts and orange shoes. That is another way that you can rock neons in the morning, or bright colors in the morning itself while you're going for a jog or you're going to the gym, right? Then comes your office wear. Now in office, I think colors like light pink or a lighter shade of green, these are the safe color choices to go with. So you can get yourself some good shirts and then wear them with tones of black or grays that go along with them. And then your shoes and your belts can match according to, like maybe if you're wearing a black pair of shoes, then you match a black belt with it. If you're wearing brown shoes, then you match a brown belt with it. So this is your office wear. Now if you're wearing casual clothes for an evening out or something, like for example, if I'm wearing a neon green shirt or a bright green shirt, so I would layer it up with either a light blue denim, and then I wear neon green shoes with it, so that becomes part of an attire. Sometimes my jeans would have like a stripe on the side which is also the same color as my shirt and my shoes. That's another way to layer it. If I'm wearing some other color, for example, if I'm wearing say yellow, so if my shirt is yellow and my pants are going to be black and my shoes are going to be black, so that yellow color will pop, right? So it is really important as a thumb rule, wear not more than two colors which are bright, and then layer it up with neutrals that go according to the colors. So let me give you some examples now. I will give you 4 different scenarios. One is your active or gym wear, then you have your office wear, then you have casual wear, and then an Indian or ethnic wear, right? So or a Western wear, whatever you would want to call it. So like let's start with the active wear. Now for example, sorry, I have to complete my water goal also. So now for example, you're going to the gym in the morning or you're going for a jog. If you want to rock bright colors at that point of time, so my usual go-to option is a black t-shirt with black shorts and orange shoes. That's my favorite combination. Alternatively, if I have to look at other color combinations, I would do orange t-shirt with black shorts and orange neon shoes. That's option number 2. Now another option is wearing a grey t-shirt with black shorts and orange shoes. Again, mixing your neutrals with bright colors. Or alternatively, another interesting combination could be you wear a neon green t-shirt and you wear your neon green t-shirt with black shorts and black shoes. So neutrals and a bright color that pops. You can also rock it with a green color watch if you have one, to layer an accessory along with it, so that also becomes a part of your color combination that you're wearing for that day. So these are a few examples of how you can spot bright colors in the morning for your active lifestyle. Then next we move on to an office wear. Now for example, imagine a scenario you're going for a regular office meeting. How can you spot bright colors? So I think a basic office wear would be a bright color shirt with a neutral color pant, and then your shoes, I would say just between black shoes and brown shoes, matching with your brown belt and black belt. So these are your belt and shoe combinations. Your trousers could be grey, could be black, could be beige, one of these colors. And then you can rock it with a brighter color shirt, for example a green shirt or a pink shirt or a brown, a nice bright brown color shirt. So these could be your combinations for office. Or alternatively, you can reverse it as well. You can wear a pink color pant with brown shoes and brown belt and wear a white shirt on top of it, or a beige shirt on top of it. That could be another interesting combination to just get the eyes set on you. Now let's imagine a third scenario when you're going out for an evening with your friends. Now what can you do here? You can wear a nice casual a neon green shirt with blue jeans and neon green shoes, so that your color pops both in your shirt and your shoes. And you can, like, if you really want to go overboard, like that I sometimes do, I wear a neon watch as well. Alternatively, what could be another combination? You can wear a bright color shirt with neutral track pants or neutral jeans, and then you have the same color of shoes. Like for example, I can wear a yellow t-shirt with black jeans and black shoes, so that becomes the yellow will pop in that, right? And another alternative combination could be a black t-shirt with black shorts, or black your black track pants or black jeans with black shoes, and you top it up with a neon green cap. So like this color is simple enough, and you can just rock it with your casual outfit. I think this is a great combination with black outfit. Alternatively, the fourth type scenario would be when you're wearing something formal or an Indian wear. For example, you're wearing a kurta, for example. So you can wear a light pink color kurta with white pants and brown shoes. I think it's an ultimate combination, and the color is going to look beautiful on you. Then another combination could be wearing a white, white kurta, a cowl kurta or something like that with green jacket. That color will again pop very beautifully on yourself. You can wear it with black shoes. It's a beautiful combination that I love and I sport it a lot of times. And then of course you can go all black and all of that. Those are your neutral colors all again. So I think this is the way how I've been rocking brighter colors into my life. The key is to just not go overboard, have not more than two colors on you at one point in time. So one neutral color, one bright color. That's the best combination that you should try and make always. And I think bright colors are a beautiful combination to wear. They always bring attention on you, and people would maybe either laugh at you or smile at you. They might find you interesting, they might find you too overboard or loud. Doesn't matter. If you love to wear bright colors, just wear them. Don't think too much about it. So that's it for this video, friends. This was my insight on telling you about how you can rock bright color clothes for men, and I hope you guys will start doing it too. Do send me some pictures and tell me in the comments about your favorite bright combinations of colors that you like to wear in sport. I would love to hear from you. You can also send me a message on Instagram. I always respond to all the comments that you guys send to me, and I make sure that I don't miss out on any of them. If I have, I'm really sorry. My Instagram handle is @barista.r. Thank you so much for all the love and support. Don't forget to like this video and do comment with your favorite color combinations that I would love to hear from you, and maybe I have more to learn from you as well. Thank you so much. Don't forget to like this video. Do comment, like, share and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys next week. Until then, remember friends, life is more fun when you're at the top of your game.